Hello everyone, I am Gangesh and today I had created a Hangman game. This is very simple. If I am comparing this with my previous tic-tac-toe game, the logic is very simple. But personally, this is my favorite because this game is more relatable in real life. So let's understand that first of all, let's understand what the hand game actually is. This is a game in which my computer will select a random word from these. Let's say the word is mountain. Let's say the word is mountain. So it will break mountain into parts like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on. And I have to guess the mountain word. Let's say I had entered C, then of course it is not in the options. So there will be a character who will die after every wrong response. Let me explain you by running this code. So enter a word. I have to guess a word and I am entering, let's say I am entering word G, and it is not. So this is my character and it is dying after every wrong response. If I am entering B, then C, his one leg has gone. So this is basically Hangman game. Okay, let me erase it. Okay, so through this I am printing my character. I know it is very complicated to understand, but remember the key terms. These are the emojis, and this is backslash n. Through this, I will skip a line. Like if I return backslash n, this means that I had skipped one line. Means I had typed enter here. These are the head, and you can notice that legs are going one by one. You can notice it, like here, there are no legs. So this will print the character. Okay, so these are the number of lives, and now you might think that why I had taken 6 lives, because you can count that if I will start counting from 0, then there are 6 outcomes: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Python, counting starts from 0, by the way. And these are the words. My random module will choose a random word from there, and word choose. Through this I will choose a word, and these are field charts, display, and stage. We'll talk about it later. I am using the for loop here for word in choose word. So let's say there is a word sword. This line of code will break this into letters, and it will save it into filled charts. Let's say the word is sword. Through this for loop, it will break it into S, W, O, R, D, and it will save all these letters in filled charts. And there are 5 letters in sword, so it will write 5 underscores here. See, it will write 5 underscore here. While life is greater than 0, so I am using for loop here. If the lives are greater than 0, this means that player is still alive. Then my code will run, and if not, it will print you died. Charts enter your word. Through this I am entering the users or players input. I am using this function to make sure that there is no concept of capitalization, because you can notice that every word is starting from a small letter. And through this I am make suring that in case the player entered something in capital, this will change it automatically into smaller. If char in filled chars, so let's say user entered A. Now my this line will check that if char is in filled char. Let's say the word is sword. So through this code, filled char will be filled with S, W, O, R, D. and let's say user entered B. As you can see that B is not there, so it will skip it and print word is incorrect. And if user entered O, it automatically checks that where O is located through this line. Place in display filled charts.index. Through index I am getting the location of the character, and through this I am replacing it. One more thing I am doing, I am writing this command to make sure that user had entered O. So through this line it will replace O with this. I am doing this to make sure that there might be some letters in which a single alphabet is repeating twice. For example, banana. In this, there will be a logic error. My code will automatically read only one letter, which will not good. So that's why I am writing this. In this, I am updating the used characters. Let me erase it, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay. Okay. Now, these are the else conditions, and this is the conditions in case the word is wrong. Stage plus is equals to 1. So you can notice that there are 6 stages. If I am starting counting from 0 in Python, counting start from 0, and I am writing stage is equals to -1. So this is the original value of stage, and if there is an error, then I am adding 1 to stage, and -1 plus 1 will be 0. So it will print this one message, and if player had made another error, then it will print this, because the original value will be 1, and 1 plus 0 plus 1 will return 1. I had written that to make sure that my stages are printing correctly. And this is the core concept. Through this, I am declaring the winner. If underscore not in display, let's understand this through example. Like this was these are the options. These are the options. First I am commenting this so that it will not throw in any error. Okay, so these are the options, and let's say the word is mango. Let's say the word is mango. Okay. Mango. Now you can see that all the underscores are filled with mango. This means that user had correctly guessed. And if there will be any underscore left, this means that my game is not over yet. So I am checking that if it is still present, if the underscore is still present, then it will return false, means the game is not finished yet. If it is not in display, then it will print you won the game. And did you want to play? There is a little typo here. Did you want to play more? Yes or no? If status is equals to yes, logic. Else return false, means that user don't want to play game at all. And okay, my code will still run if I will not write this, but I am using this so that in case I am importing this file to anyone, it will not it will not throw any error. So ignore this. Okay, let's run this.